It's the good stuff, gotta have it. You know what else is good? Out here today running the Typhon. It's been way too long. It's the good stuff. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, it's been a while. I haven't had the Typhon out. I really like running this. I bought this mostly to go run at the track. You know, school's out, and I don't know, I really didn't want to go down there with school being out, and figured there's probably gonna be a bunch of people running the track. I just like going out there, being by myself, having a little fun. So I put this up and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go run it. Now, understand, in real time, tomorrow I am boarding a plane to England. This will give me something to edit on the plane or while I'm waiting, because I have some connections and stuff like that. But I've been sitting around the house. It's really nothing to do. I'm packed, ready to go. So I decided to go ahead and unpack my camera, unpack a few things, and take the Typhon out. I was going to go to the track and run, but I really don't want to drive out that far and that the day before I'm heading out. So I figure I'll come out here to a familiar area where I run. Good little place. So let's take the Typhon out, have some fun. I do have it on 6S, something I don't normally do because 4S is more than powerful at the track. I do have it bound to the IXSR. Dude, this thing is freaking psycho on 6S. Oh man, dude, holy crap. I forget how fast this thing is. That is freaking mental, man. Holy moly. Dude, yeah, 6S not needed on this thing. Wow. Oh no. Well, got to thank our friend Tyson over at Garage Life RC for some beautiful accessories here. We got these shock tower protectors right here. And we also got the flexible wing mount, which just took a hell of a tumble. Woo! Oh yeah, I'm glad I switched the tires too, because I had the track tires on here. I had the little pin tires. Ooh. Hey, durability testing. Testing out that wing there for Tyson. Oh, dude, I don't even need full throttle. Like, that's about half throttle right there. Woo. Damn. I was like, the Isuzu, I know the Isuzu is pretty damn fast, but I don't know. This thing here's. Jeez. This thing's freaking insane. Now, I do have the suspension set up more for the track. It's a little on the softer side to help with the turns and stuff over there. All right, I got the trim set now, so good grief, this thing is insane. Wow. All right, I got the trim set now, so good grief, this thing is insane. Wow. I'll tell you what, this thing gets your heart rate going. Oh, I'm so glad I decided to charge up the 6S pack. Oh, sand shower. Ah. This thing really does not need 6S at all. It does not need it. Gee. What an animal. Oh, it's been way too long since I drove this thing. I mean, yeah, it is my track car. Like I said, I've been tuning it to run the track. But, you know, it's still very capable of coming out here and just have a blast with it. Man, I didn't even check to see where this was. I had the camera aimed down for the car. So hopefully that's gonna work. I said I got the suspension set up a bit soft for the track, because normally, you know, you're not like taking turns at this speed. Oh wow. Whoa, man. Look at the tires ballooning. Oh man, guys. Woo! Thing's a rocket. Watch this thing. Jeez. Ooh. No, not in the street. Not in the street. Good grief. Look at that, man. The wing mount did great. Body protector, shock tower protectors are still on. Everything's good. I'll tell you what, man, if that wasn't a test, that thing tumbled across the paved road. Wow, man, that was, oh. Armor tough, baby. Oh, jeez, man, this thing, 6S is too much. No! Jeez, all right, that's enough. Thing thinks it's a ballerina or something. So, jeez Louise, man. Look at that, we got grass wedged in the wing. The wing is still good, the mount is still good. Everything's still in place, it looks like. Damn, that thing's tough. Wow. Whew. Oh, sand shower. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna make Chris with the C regret that he sold his. Hell yeah. This thing really that needs a gyro. I think it could use a little help. But I'm not gonna put one in because I use that to track and I don't feel like it needs it. Oh. Well, if you guys are ever been on the fence or wondering about a Typhon, maybe this will sell you. I got links to AMAIN and Horizon Hobby. If you want to buy one, you don't have to put 6S in it just because it says 6S. But dude, this thing's And I haven't done anything to the car. There's no speed pinion, there's no anything done to it. I don't even think I've changed the shock oil. I don't think I have. I think I just got the preload kind of down a bit to where it's fairly soft. Just been working on that at the track. The only thing I did to run at the track is I put the pin tires from the TLR on here. So this is the these are the factory tires that come with this, or the more the off-road. See, this one comes with the knobbies. The TLR comes with pin tires, and I think a lighter aluminum and all that, but I probably wouldn't even get the TLR unless you're serious into racing, or if for some reason you feel like you need to bash a buggy, launch it 15 feet in the air, maybe get the TLR. It's got a little stiffer components, but oh man, I'll tell you what, I'm so glad I came out here and did this. Like I said, I'm boarding the flight tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen that video, because I got a couple weeks videos on queue just to keep stuff going while I'm there. And then whenever I wrap up, I'll start getting those videos posted. Oh, smoky goodness. All right. Oh, I'm getting blasted. All right, everyone, I think with that, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I don't wanna make this video too long of me just going back and forth. All right, with that, everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I don't wanna make this thing too long of me just going back and forth. Plus, I feel like the battery's getting a little weak here. Let me, well, I don't have a smart battery in here, so I don't know. We're almost at 180 on the ESC. We got 22 volts. So, yeah, nice thing with this remote, well, when you keep the Spectrum electronics, that's one of the reasons I keep the Spectrum stuff in here, because I like getting that telemetry. It's really nice when you run the Spectrum smart batteries, because then you get like a percentage, like, hey, you got 20% left, 30% left. It is a nice feature. I don't like doing math in my head trying to think of how much battery I got, but whoa, man, the Typhon. Dude, this thing's a beast. Success. Freaking insane, man. All right, everybody, for me and the Typhon, we appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Give us time to show you what joy running this little buggy is. It's a great car, man. I really recommend. Like, I had monster trucks for a while, and I started thinking, man, I don't know buggies. I'm so glad I got a buggy and got back into this type of car. Everyone, appreciate the support. Links down below. Get your discounts, get your ways to buy these things, and they're all free ways of helping the channel. It's greatly appreciated, because I buy the stuff, I sponsor myself, and I put more money into this channel than I make on YouTube. So all the help is greatly appreciated. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.